In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sheets productivity hacks that minimize manual effort through automation, shortcuts, and efficient data handling. By the end, you'll navigate faster, build smarter formulas, and keep your data clean with fewer clicks. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with keyboard shortcuts that instantly speed up your workflow. Anytime you forget a shortcut, press Ctrl+/ on Windows or Command+/ on a Mac to open the full keyboard shortcut list. When you need to paste numbers or text without bringing over messy formatting or formulas, use Ctrl+Shift+V to paste values only. It's perfect for keeping reports clean and preventing formula chains from breaking. While you're editing a formula, hit F4 to toggle your cell references between relative, absolute, and mixed. This cycles through A1, $1, $1, and $A1, saving you from typing dollar signs by hand. If you want to fill multiple cells at once, type your value or formula, select the target range, and press Ctrl-Enter to populate the entire selection instantly. And when you need a fresh spreadsheet in seconds, type sheets.new into your browser and a brand new sheet opens right away. Next, boost formula efficiency so Sheets works for you. Use ARRAYFORMULA in a single top cell to expand a calculation down an entire column automatically, even as new rows are added. Pair it with if or simple math to eliminate dragging formulas. To keep multiple files in sync, IMPORTRANGE pulls data from a master sheet into any report, reducing manual copy-paste and ensuring everything stays up to date. For powerful, SQL-like analysis without extra tabs, the query function can filter, sort, and summarize large datasets using one formula, replacing many manual steps. And to speed up consistent data entry, set up data validation with drop-down lists so repeated values are chosen from a menu, reducing typos and keeping your data analysis ready. Finally, automate and streamline your interface. Record a macro for repetitive tasks like applying specific formats, inserting formulas, or removing empty rows, then replay it with a click or shortcut. For fast cleanup, use data, then data cleanup to trim whitespace or remove duplicates in a selected range. When collaborating, create a personal filter view so you can sort and filter without changing what others see, and save those views for later. Protect key ranges that contain formulas or master data by right-clicking the selection and choosing Protect Range to prevent accidental edits. Combine these shortcuts, functions, and automation tricks, and you'll turn Google Sheets into a fast, reliable, and low-maintenance workspace. Try them on your next project and watch your productivity soar. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.